Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science in MGSS Darbhanga. And here's I am going to talk you class 6 subject Computer Science. And here is the fourth chapters tables in World 2010. This is the fifth day of this chapters. And in this videos I am going to talk you resizing the rows or columns. So whenever we are creating a tables, one of the size is by default having, that is the fixed ones, and according to the need requirements we can able to resize it. Either we can able to increase or decrease the height or width of this table cells. Whenever we need to change the width of columns. This is the verticals. Vertical is the columns, and horizontal, that is the rows. So in columns, whenever we are writing any text, suppose we are writing science, then it is well and good. But whenever we are writing social science, then we need more spaces there. So we need to increase the width of the column. We have to increase the width of the column. So how actually we have to increase the width of the columns? So we have to follow two simple steps. First steps, place the mouse pointer to the right border of the columns. Suppose this is the cells, and in this cells this is the left border, this is the right border. So we have to place the mouse pointer at this right borders of the columns, and after that the mouse pointers changes to double-headed arrow. This symbols like mouse pointer is coming. Initially it is having the arrow like mouse pointer is just like cursor is just like the arrow. But whenever this mouse pointer is coming to the border of the columns, then it appears just like double-headed arrow. Then we have facility to increase or decrease the width of the columns. So we have to press the mouse left buttons, press and drag. So hold the left mouse buttons and drag it, press and drag whenever the double-headed arrow is appearing. And after that we can either push this double-headed arrow towards left or towards right. So whenever we are pushing this towards left, then it is width is going to decrease. And whenever outside, then width is going to increase. So according to our one choice, either we want to decrease the width of the column or increase the width of the columns, we can do that. So we have the facility like that. Again, changing the height of the columns, height of the row. So horizontal, this is the row. And again we have facilities here, so we can increase the height. So this is the height. This height we can either increase or decrease. Suppose we are writing science, then well and good. But whenever we are writing here physics, chemistry, biology like that, then we need some more space, and we have to increase the height of the rows. So for doing that, we have to follow the steps, step 1 and step 2. In step 1, we have to put our mouse pointers at the lower portion of the borders. In this row, this is the upper borders and this is the lower borders. So we have to put the mouse pointer at lower borders. And whenever we are putting at this lower borders, then the cursor is appearing just like double-headed arrow. Whenever double-headed arrow is going to appear here, then we press the mouse left buttons and then drag it. Then drags either the upward direction or either the downward direction. Whenever we are moving upward direction, then its height is going to decrease. But whenever we are moving in downward direction, then its height is going to increase. So according to our one choice, we want to increase or decrease the height of the row. So we can move the mouse pointers either the upward direction or downward direction. So in this way we can also change the height of the rows, and we have already learned about change the widths of the columns. So in this way we are doing the resizing of the rows and columns according to one choice, and by default it is the fix, and we can doing change whenever we have the necessities. So we have learned it how this video was. You have to write the comments. Okay, thank you.